These are my blue potatoes, and these potatoes are ready to harvest. Now they could probably go a little while longer, but I'm gonna be busy next weekend and be on vacation the week after, so I really want to get these out of the pots. Now if you look at these potatoes, these are Kennebec whites. These are not ready to harvest because they still look pretty healthy. But the blue potatoes are definitely ready. Now, since I grew these in pots, I have a tarp down, wishful thinking, gloves. I have a container to put them in and a pot with a scale. It's just one of those travel scales to weigh them. So let's get going here. I have no idea if I'm going to dump the pot or just lift them out. We'll see what happens. I'm going to start by just pulling out the tops. Okay, I think we can dump this. A goofy looking one. So I was starting to hit the stones. I have stones in the bottom of this for drainage. So they were all in the top 4 inches of this pot. Macy, are you going to help? Huh? You can help? See how much this weighs. You have to subtract a pound for the bucket. So I got 3.5 pounds of potatoes. These are a nice size. See, I had a lot of them that size, and I got a lot of them that size. So let me clean them up and I'll show them to you all laid out. So here we go. Enough to share. enough to eat. There's a lot of these little ones. And they're just such a vivid purple color. Like almost neon. They're so pretty. Alright, there you go. Another successful potato harvest. I will probably take care of those Kennebec whites in a couple of weeks. And I'll link my potato, when I planted these potatoes, I will link that video up in the iCard, and you can see how I planted them. So until next time, thanks so much for watching. Happy gardening, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.